Hi everyone. So on my review lesson, this is one of the resources you'll find attached to the lesson, and this is the Unit 3 review. And what I did here is this is a section I titled the fact review, and in this case there are 15 facts. And what these really are these are key ideas and concepts from the unit that I've assembled that are not in their reference table. So in New York State, they get the Earth Science Reference Table, which I generally attach to most lessons, specifically ones that they use it or need it. And a lot of the information actually just comes from the reference table. However, there's obviously also very pertinent and important content relevant information that's not necessarily information that they just need to hold in their brains at some point when or in order to answer these questions successfully. So in this case, in this unit, ultimately, these are frankly key ideas or key concepts that come from the lesson itself. You see outgassing, you see extinction, you see facts about tilting or rock layering, things like that that they just need in order to answer these questions successfully. And these are actually key components of the types of questions they'll see on the Regents exam, which is the state assessment in New York State. So for example, there are fact-based questions wherein they don't really need the reference tables at all. They just actually need this information that's contained on this sheet, or they need the reference table, which are called ESRT-based questions. Sometimes there are called CTT or chart table text questions, where actually the only information they need is contained in a text passage or a chart that's given to them on the actual exam via an image. So what we do is we discuss and we practice diagnosing and dissecting these actual question types. So when students know, frankly, what information they need to access, they're much more successful in answering the questions. So in this review lesson, I assembled all the facts from the unit, as you can see here, and if they study that and ultimately pick out the ones that they're like, I'm a little unsure about this one, that will definitely and monstrously help them on the exam and on the Regents exam as well.